I welcome you all in this online class. Now we are going to discuss, the topic is adverb. Adverb. Now what is an adverb? Let's see. Here we have written few words, and what you have to do that choose the suitable adverb and add to the sentences. These are all the adverbs, and what we have to do that by choosing these adverbs we have to fill these blanks. But before going to fill these blanks, let us know that what is an adverb actually. In our previous lecture we have dealt with adjective, and I told you that adjective is a word that tell us something about the noun, right? But adverb, most of the students, they are confused between adjective and adverb. Adjective is something that tells us something about noun, right? But adverb is a word that tell us something about the verb. So this is the basic difference between both these two. Adjective tells us about the noun and adverb tells us about the verb. At the very name shows us adverb. It adds something with the verb, right? For example, here we have the first example. You can see, he wrote a letter to his father. Now see, these are the options. What we can write here? We will say yesterday, as we have here the second form of the verb. So we will come to know that yesterday, this is the adverb of time. Adverb of time usually comes at the very start of the sentence or at the very end of the sentence. Yesterday he wrote a letter. Now if we have selected yesterday, we will just circle it to make it clear for us. Yesterday he wrote a letter to his father. Now what is going to come here? Think about it carefully. How you can write a letter? You will write a letter carefully. Yesterday he carefully wrote a letter to his father. He faced the tiger which was leaping at his throat. Now see, how you can face someone? Bravely, right? He bravely faced the tiger which was, what we will say? Swiftly leaping angrily at his throat. I'll circle it, angrily and swiftly. The man with the bad leg. If you are having a bad leg, injured leg, how you can climb or how you can walk? What do you think? Slowly or fast? Definitely you will walk slowly. The man with the bad leg slowly climbed the mountain trail. The fourth one, the arrow flew through the air at the target. The arrow flew. Now you can think about it, how an arrow flew. Bravely, we have done it. Smoothly, sweetly. What do you think? An arrow can go sweetly? No, it's smoothly. These 4 I have done for you, and these 4 you will do it in your notebooks as your homework, right? These are the words which are left, and by using these words you have to fill these blanks. So it is your homework. The session ends here. Thank you.